So 4.6 problem set, numbers 1 through 24, we've already done many of those in the examples. I am going to look at number 22 just real quickly just to get you started here. Minus 0.1, I keep forgetting to put a 0 there. That 0 doesn't really matter, but I guess if the book's putting it in there, I'll put it in there. Alright, so first thing, this is why I'm showing you this, the first thing we're going to do is distribute. We've got to distribute this times this and this times this. So we end up with 0.6y minus 0.1 times y, 0.1y. And then we have, now this is where some people get a little confused here. This minus sign here is part of this whole thing. The sign is always part of it. So when I multiplied 0.1 times y, notice I did negative 0.1 times y, and that gave me a minus. Negative times 20 will end up giving me a negative 2.0. Okay, so that negative goes too. In fact, if this 20 here, if that were a 0, or I'm sorry, if that were not a positive, but I'd have to take my negative 0.1 times negative 20, and that would make that a positive. So just something to keep in mind. So that's negative 2.0 equals 11. I guess we don't need that parenthesis there. We just took them off by distributing that negative 0.1. Then you continue on and combine like terms and then get rid of this and move it over and do the whole algebra thing. Other than that, I think you're pretty much good to go with your story problems. They're really not too difficult, but if you have any questions, let me know on that.